So now let's see how we can work around with sketch filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to work around with sketch filters, you can go to the filter menu right here, and here you can see sketch is an option, and here there's different types of filters that you can apply. So if I were to go around onto bas relief right here, just like this, then it opens up the filter gallery right here, and here you can see bas relief is an option. There's chalk and charcoal right here, and as with any other filters, you can use these sliders right here to change it out. So this is bas relief right here. There's a chalk and charcoal, so you can go around and change that out into that sort of a painting. You can change it out into charcoal. You can change it out into chrome right here, just like this. You can change it to a Conte crayon right here, as you can see. You can change it to a graphic pen. You can change it to a halftone pattern right here, just like this, to make it more like a newspaper print right here. You can increase out the size as well. You can go around and apply it as notepaper. You can apply it as photocopy right here. You can apply it to be like a plaster. You can apply it to be like a reticulation right here. You can make it like a stamp. You can make it go around and make it like torn edges and apply waterpaper over here, just like this as well. And these are the different sketch effects. Let me just go around, cancel this out, and all of those effects are available over here in Sketch as well. Here you can see the stamp, the torn edges, waterpaper, and everything that we had over there when we opened up the filter gallery right there. So that is how you can utilize the sketch filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.